The Voice of the People Party today has stated that the failure of the Congress has allowed the BJP to rule the country. While speaking at an election rally to drum support for the party candidate from Shillong parliamentary seat, Ricky A.J. Singkon, held at Langtor, Mairang VPP chief Arden Miller Basayomoit said that the people can no longer trust the Congress party as they are working together with the NPP at the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. While in the State Assembly, the same party is in the opposition. He questioned as to how can the same party have two separate stands. Urging the people to repose their faith on the VPP, which represent the sentiments of the people, he said that the regional parties are leading in many states and the people need to replicate this even in Meghalaya. The VPP candidate for the Shillong seat also spoke on the occasion.
District Council ke Congress ke Trailang ke NPP hapo assembly pan hamaya dengan dulu ke nongrim hapo District Council ke piang ke nongrim hapo assembly ke piang mudam kan nongrim ko kepada kini dan Bishar kita untuk yet Bishar pension nongrim haswa lebih dari orang bahagia.
The Congress party is leaving no stone